Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting after basic setup. Final Cut Pro open, project loaded. First, click the clip on the timeline that contains the media you need to unlink. Make sure you can see both video and audio or compound clip contents. Once selected, check the inspector to confirm it's linked or part of a compound group. This matters because the method depends on whether it's a compound clip, connected clips, or a standard linked clip. Each behaves differently, so identification is the first actionable step. Now perform the unlink action. For compound clips, choose Clip then break apart clip items. That explodes the compound into its original elements. For standard linked audio, right-click and pick Detach Audio to create independent audio clips you can move or edit separately. If you need to toggle linking across multiple selected items, use Shift-Command-L to enable or disable clip linking quickly. Make sure to observe the selection highlight because the command applies only to selected clips. And finish by arranging the now unlinked pieces. Move, trim, or ripple delete as your edit requires. Once done, reconfirm sync by playing the sequence. If audio drifted, nudge with trim tools or use slip to retime. If a clip appears offline or lost, use File then relink files to restore media paths. Troubleshooting tip: if unlinked commands are grayed out, make sure the timeline has focus and the correct clip is selected. Deselect compound clips or open them to access inner items before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.